Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. In today's episode, we delve into the hostile environment of Venus and the surprising possibility of life existing in its clouds. So buckle up and join us on this fascinating journey. Hello, fellow space enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to share some groundbreaking news about our neighboring planet, Venus. You may have heard that the surface of Venus is a scorching inferno, with temperatures high enough to melt lead. And let's not forget about the sulfuric acid rain. But could there still be a glimmer of hope for life on this seemingly hellish planet? Recent research suggests it's possible. Approximately 48 to 60 kilometers above the surface of Venus, the conditions are different. The temperatures drop significantly, and the air pressure becomes comparable to Earth's at sea level. Scientists have long speculated that this region, above the cloud deck, could be a potential haven for life, perhaps in the form of microbes. However, the clouds of Venus are not composed of water but concentrated sulfuric acid, making the chances of life surviving there seem slim. But hold on. A recent study led by scientists from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, has brought new hope to the search for extraterrestrial life. The study was led by Professor Sarah Seeger and Dr. Janusz J. Petkowski from MIT, along with a team of researchers from various institutions. Their findings, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, suggest that the basic building blocks of life, known as nucleic acid bases, are stable in concentrated sulfuric acid. Through extensive spectroscopy and incubation experiments, they discovered that nucleic acid bases such as adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil remain stable even when exposed to concentrated sulfuric acid for up to 2 weeks. These findings have profound implications for our understanding of life beyond Earth. While the presence of organic chemistry doesn't guarantee the existence of life, it demonstrates that the necessary processes for life could occur in Venus's atmosphere. This revelation challenges our preconceived notions about habitability and the potential for life in extreme environments. It suggests that life may thrive in places we haven't considered before, with conditions far different from our own planet. This new perspective opens up exciting possibilities for future missions to Venus. NASA's proposed DAVINCI Plus and VERITAS probes, along with China's VOICE mission, will explore Venus in the coming years. Rocket Lab and MIT are also planning their own missions to investigate the Venusian clouds and search for signs of life. These missions could pave the way for a better understanding of the potential habitability of Venus and other exoplanets, expanding our search for life in the universe. Exciting times lie ahead as we continue to explore the mysteries of Venus and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The discoveries made on this inhospitable planet could change the way we perceive our place in the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing discoveries and cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and never stop exploring.